Right, here's today's challenge. Can you build a bridge for this car to get from one side of the river to the other using 20 bits of Lego, a pair of scissors, and one piece of paper? This is how I solved it. First, I built some supports for my bridge. Then I put my piece of paper on the top. And then I place my car in the middle. And you can see that the car is too heavy. So then I built some more supports. And let's see if that helps. The car is still too heavy. So what can I do? So I think it's because the paper's too thin, so I'm going to fold the paper. So I'll fold it once, so now it's twice as thick. Let's see if that makes a difference. Oh goodness, no. So let's try again. I'm going to fold it again. And let's have a look. Put it this way. And it still collapses, so now I wonder if I need to move my supports. So maybe if I put my supports like this, will that make a difference? Ooh, now that seems to work, doesn't it? Okay, so how can I make my bridge even better? Well, let's fold it so the car can get up and down from the bridge. So that looks better. Put it this way. You can drive up that takes the weight of the car, and it can drive down again. Let's make it even better. Let's put some little sides on it. So all I'm doing is folding up a really thin side here, and I'll do the same on this side. Really thin. Oh, but now it doesn't bend. So I'll take the scissors and I'll see where the fold is. I'll put one little tiny snip there, a little tiny snip there, a little tiny snip there, 4 little snips. And there you have my bridge. So my car can drive up it. It supports the car, and then the car can drive down it.